Hello, and welcome to the Concept Generation and Selection Lecture. Every great product starts with an idea, but not every idea becomes a successful product. The difference lies in how you generate, refine, and select concepts. In this video, you'll learn the systematic methods that professional design teams use to transform customer needs into winning product concepts. Imagine you are an engineer working on a busy construction site. Everyday workers manually lift hundreds of bricks. They become tired quickly. Productivity decreases. Injuries become common. Your engineering team has been asked to design a mechanical brick lifting device. But before building anything, how do engineers generate innovative ideas? Before we dive to the discussion in depth, let us see the learning objectives. So, after completing these topics you will be able to 1. Describe at least 3 concept generation techniques and explain when to apply each method. 2. Apply concept screening and scoring matrices to evaluate and select the best product concepts from multiple alternatives. 3. Construct a function means tree.
Let us dive to exploring concept generation techniques, concept selection, and scoring, as well as function mystery discussion. The concept generation techniques, as we have seen earlier in learning objective, there are 3 methods for generating the design concept. First one, brainstorming. Second one, ideonomics. Third one, functional decomposition. So in concept generations, the brainstorming and ideonomics are the basics one. So let us see when to apply each method. Of course, brainstorming is a creative groups ideations technique designed for divergent techniques. It encourages free-flowing ideas without judgment, and objective of this one maximizing the quality of the concept generated. It's best applied early in the design process when the problem space is open and team collaboration is available. Whereas ideonomics is a systematic idea generation method using structured prompts and frameworks to guide concept creations. This method is best applied when constraints are known and more disciplined, repeatable approach to innovations is required for complex design challenges. When you see the functional decompositions, another name most likely function mystery, it's a method breaking a complex problem into manageable sub-functions. It's best applied to multi-component systems. A function mystery maps each sub-problems. Its solutions means enabling structured systems, designs, decisions. Of course, here there are 3 categories: the global functions, the principal functions, and the elementary functions. So by decomposing or breaking out those complexity into sub-parts, and will generate and design the products. So after generating the concepts, we should select the appropriate or the best one. To select this one, we do have 2 methods, or we can call it concept screening. On concept screening, as well as concept scoring mechanisms are applied for this one. Concept screening matrix allows designers to systematically compare multiple design alternatives against reference concepts using weighted criteria, quickly narrowing a large set of ideas to the most promising candidate. Whereas scoring matrices build on screening by assigning weighted score to each criteria, enabling objectives data-driven selection of the optimal concepts from competitive alternatives. After selecting the best products, we'll further go to further development of that product until developing the prototype techniques. So the concept evaluations can be categorized generally in 4 steps. The first one, define the criteria. Of course, the criteria definitions comes from the need statement and analysis from the customer perspectives. Then after generating the concepts in number things, there is screening concepts will apply, then applying the scoring matrix, at last selecting the best concepts for further development. In summary, we can categorize this entire idea into three things. The first one, generating concepts systematically using brainstorming, ideonomics, and functional decomposition. Choosing the right techniques for each design is a challenge. The other one, after generating, you should have evaluated the select the base product concepts using concept screening as well as scoring mechanisms by comparing alternative objectives. The last one, decompose a complex design problems into manageable sub-problems by constructing a function ministry with identified solution means. So there is a means and the functions. So ready to apply? Let us wait.
Let us see practical example in construction sites. Workers frequently lift multiple bricks manually during building operations. Manual lifting causes several problems: worker fatigue, low productivity, increased risk of injury, difficulty lifting multiple bricks at once. Therefore, engineers are required to design a simple mechanical brick lifting device that allows a worker to grip, lift, and transport a stack of bricks safely and efficiently. Here is 5 concepts generated by brainstorming method. Next, using concept screening and scoring method, you select the best concept for further development by considering shape and form design, technical analysis, ergonomics and as aesthetics perspective. Detail criteria and examples of screening and scoring attached on LMS.